Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm here for another unboxing, guys. Sorry, I know, but I'm super excited. I was able to purchase some stuff from Midas Cosmetics, and I got this cute little card here, and I wanted to read it to you guys because, you know, I think it's just the best way I could describe the company. So it says, "Hi gorgeous, we hope you enjoy your order. Don't forget to share your looks and tag us." Midas Cosmetics is an Afro-Latina owned indie brand founded in 2018 by Rocio Nunez. The brand focuses on inclusivity and diversity by working with and giving a platform to a range of artists. Midas wants every person and every skin tone to feel loved, appreciated, and celebrated. So I saw these floating around Twitter and I just really love the colors and everything about it, so I decided to purchase them. I was really excited to purchase from a brand new, like a new brand that I've never heard of. I love doing that because obviously how else are you supposed to know what's good and what's not, you know? I feel like there's so many underrated beauty brands and I want to try so many of them out. So Midas Cosmetics was my first one and I'm super excited to just check and see what it is about. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Well, first this is the Midas Cosmetics Cocktail Hour Neon Cake Liners. First of all, the packaging is beautiful. I love this. We're gonna talk about this, okay? Do you see these colors? Look at how beautiful. We have Golden Glow, Sour Melon, Tangerine Touch, Grape Teeny, Pink Lemonade, Electric Blue Margarita, On the Rocks, and Black Magic. Look at how beautiful this is. Look, this is beautiful. It says, wet your brush and dip into the shade. Mix until it forms a creamy consistency. Add or remove water to reach the desired opacity. Mix shades together on a separate surface to create your own custom shades. This is beautiful, honestly speaking. Like, look at that yellow. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and we're just gonna go ahead and go full on. I'm gonna go ahead and get a cup of water and we're gonna go ahead and swatch these on my arm. So before we go swatching, we're gonna talk about the palette first. So this palette retails for $32 and it does come with its own brush, which is really nicely packaged separately, which is really nice. Obviously, because I mean, I think everybody has a small brush like this, but obviously it's nice to have it come with a brush. So yeah, I also got the Queremos Pastel liners because I thought they were so cute. Obviously there is the Cocktail Hour and then Queremos Pastel. And so here are the shades. These are all obviously pastel shades, which is why it's called Queremos Pastel. There is Citrus Zest, Glaze, Strawberry Shortcake, Blueberry, Bizcocho, Sugar Paste, Powdered Sugar, and Dark Chocolate. I'm super excited. Both of these come with a white and a black, as you can see. And look, they're just literally polar opposites. Like, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful though. And like I said, this one also retails for $32 and it does come with its own separate brush. So you will have two brushes, one for each palette, which is really nice. And we're going to go ahead and swatch both of these palettes today, but I'm going to swatch the neon, the Cocktail Hour Neon shade first. So let's start. So I'm going to go ahead and go into Golden Glow, which is this yellow right here. I'm going to go into that one first. I'm going to wet my brush. And then I'm going to just go into it. I'm like so scared. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it right here. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, beautiful shade. This is the shade Golden Glow. This is the shade Golden Glow. Beautiful. Look at how beautiful. These shades are so pretty. Like, they're just so, like, I see why people love them and why it's so, like, I saw it all over Twitter. It's just beautiful. And you don't really need much. Like, you just put a little bit, you know, you dip your brush in and you just swirl it around in there until you see that it's a little thick and it's not watery or anything, and then you just put it on. So it looks so much fun, honestly speaking. It looks fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the rest of the palette, and then I will come back and tell you guys all about the colors. So here are the swatches of the entire palette. It's beautiful, honestly speaking. You do not, as you can see, you really don't need to do much. You can literally just dip in and call it a day. Look at that. Look at the swatches. Beautiful. So again, this is Golden Glow, Tangerine Touch. I'm going to say them in the order that they're on my arm. So I'm going to go ahead, and it is Golden Glow, Tangerine Touch, Pink Lemonade, On the Rocks, Sour Melon, Grape Teeny, Electric Blue Margarita, and Black Magic. They're so beautiful. I really wish I had like a UV light just so that I can show you guys if they are because they are neon. So I wish I had a UV light, but I don't, so I apologize. But it's so pretty. I'm honestly I'm so glad that I bought this. For $32, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's definitely worth it because you do not need that much. Like, this could last you for so long because you do not need that much. And that's if you use it as only liners. You can use this as face paint. You can use this as eyeshadow. You can use this as detail. Like, there's so much like versatility in these palettes, and I'm just so excited, especially now for Halloween. Like, come on. So excited to just use this further. This is the best thing I bought. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the Queremos Pastel. I'm going to swatch it right underneath. I'm gonna put it right here just so that you guys can see, and have both palettes there so you guys can look at them. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these, and then I will be back. So here are the swatches for the Queremos Pastel pastel liners. They are beautiful, and I'm gonna go ahead. This is in the way that I swatched them, by the way. It is citrus zest, strawberry shortcake, bizcocho, powdered sugar, glaze, blueberry, sugar paste, and then dark chocolate. This is crazy. I absolutely I'm like way too ecstatic that I bought these palettes. They are absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited to use these, like, you know, like use them in eye looks and use them in makeup and just in general. I think they are beautiful palettes. They just are great. They look so pretty, and I'm only doing the top because the bottom is still wet, but they don't go anywhere. Like, crazy insane. Wow, they're so beautiful. For $32, I think that they are beautiful palettes, and I definitely 100% recommend. Yeah, I mean, don't miss out on this. This is crazy, like crazy good. I'm super excited to try them out in eye looks and makeup in general. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia, and I am a mess, and I'm so happy to be your friend. Thank you guys for watching so much. Everything I showed off in this video will be linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, as well as all my other social media and stuff that you guys can find me at. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.